Hey there. My name is Diana. I'm a Toronto-based content creator and eco-friendly product reviewer. Today I'm super excited because I get to talk about one of my favorite topics, which is plastic-free travel. Traveling is exciting, but it often comes with a lot of unnecessary plastic waste. From disposable water bottles to single-use toiletries, our adventures can harm the planet if we're not careful. But don't worry today. I'll share simple, eco-friendly tips for traveling plastic-free so that you can explore the world while protecting it. Let's dive in. Let's start off with a biggie. Number 1 is pack smart with reusable essentials. The key to avoiding plastic when you travel is to leave those disposables at home and instead pack smart with reusables that will cover all of your needs while you are away. Start with a stainless steel or collapsible water bottle. Keeping hydrated is crucial, especially when exploring new places. A reusable bottle not only cuts down on plastic waste, but also saves you money since you can refill it instead of constantly buying new bottles. I love the ones that collapse because they take up less space in your bag. For toiletries, ditch the plastic bottles and opt for a refillable toiletry kit. It can help keep your liquids organized and leak-proof. Then replace your liquid toiletries with solid shampoo bars, solid conditioners, and toothpaste tablets. They're just as effective and better for the environment. I also recommend packing a bamboo toothbrush and bamboo razor if you need one. And when it comes to utensils, it's always handy to have a lightweight set of reusable utensils. I like these ones because they are made out of bamboo and they come with a little carrying case. Last but not least, bring along some cloth shopping bags and some mesh produce bags. This is great for when you do end up shopping at a local market. And if you need anything else, I've linked a few more plastic-free travel essentials in the description below. Number 2 is choose eco-friendly accommodations. Your choice of accommodation can significantly impact your carbon footprint. When booking your next trip, look for hotels or hostels that are eco-conscious, places that offer water refill stations, encourage guests to avoid single-use plastics, and use sustainable toiletries. You can even message your hotel beforehand to request no plastic-wrapped amenities. Trust me, small changes like these make a huge difference. Number 3 is eat and drink sustainably. One of the biggest sources of plastic waste when traveling is food, especially takeout. Try to avoid eating on the go, especially when it's in plastic packaging. Instead, dine in local restaurants or bring your own container for leftovers. And here's a fun tip. If you do end up getting takeout, consider asking the restaurant if they would be willing to put your meal in a container that you brought from home. Many places are usually pretty happy to oblige. Also, say no to plastic straws. Carry a stainless steel or bamboo straw to sip your drinks like cocktails or smoothies on the go. Shopping at local markets is also a great way to avoid prepackaged foods. I know this one can be hard, especially if you're trying to avoid touching too many things that other people may have touched. But you can always try using those mesh produce bags that you brought with you or putting your own containers inside of things to reduce the amount of plastic that you use at the checkout. Number 4 is refill, don't buy. One of the easiest ways to reduce plastic waste while traveling is to skip buying single-use water bottles. Not only are they bad for the environment, but they're also expensive and often unhealthy. Instead, refill your reusable bottle at refill stations or ask cafes for water refills. Many airports and tourist spots now have free water stations, so keep an eye out for those. Plus, it's not just water. You can apply this to other toiletries as well. Consider transferring some of your favorite lotions, creams and oils into smaller reusable containers instead of buying travel-sized plastic ones. Number 5 is be a role model and spread awareness. Your actions can inspire others. Don't be afraid to share your plastic-free travel tips on social media or simply talk to fellow travelers. Mention to them why you're choosing not to use plastic. Most people are very receptive to this kind of thing and are happy to hear some new ideas. Every small step counts and you might encourage someone else to make a change. And if you find yourself staying at a hotel or an Airbnb that still uses plastic water bottles, consider sending a message to the owner or the manager explaining why you think it would be worthwhile to switch to reusable bottles. If enough people ask, they're more likely to take action. Also, if you're watching this video and you feel inspired to do something similar, please do share what you're doing to reduce your own plastic usage on social media. We can all learn from each other. I hope these tips have you feeling confident and ready to embark on your own plastic-free adventure. Remember, every small step counts, and together, we can make a big impact. So grab your reusable water bottle, pack your eco-friendly essentials, and get ready to explore the world in a more sustainable way. Thanks so much for watching. Before you head out on your next trip, make sure to check out some of these other videos that you might find helpful. See you later. Bye.